Well, hello and welcome. I'm Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If we are already chat family, you already know what it is. Welcome back to the channel. Over here, for the most part, guys, my channel is based on hair, both natural hair as well as wigs. I also do show reviews, movie reviews, product reviews, hauls, and a bunch of other fun, cool activities such as game nights. I have recently introduced a new segment to my channel lineup, as I am a variety channel, and that is my Ask Pandi edition. That series broadcasts here on Saturday afternoons, and basically what it is it's an opportunity for you to email your questions, as long as they're not inappropriate or disrespectful, into the channel, and I will feature the answers here in an uploaded or live stream format. Your questions can be about anything. They can be about social media, YouTube, life, healthcare, hair, products, the TV shows I review, or whatever. Again, as long as they're not disrespectful or inappropriate. So definitely take a look at the description box on this video for the email contact information. And if you enjoy this type of channel, definitely go ahead and make sure you hit the thumbs up and definitely hit that subscribe. What are you waiting on? It is free 99 after all. All right, guys, until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and stay encouraged. Bye-bye.